wakwaba midi ede adwoa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel me a notification bell no so for more news. Felix appear political zone na okase na o de ensem bi atodwa o kire se woman bi o ye NDC ni sisi wenu ni ho se free SHS okase ti ai no opa his excellency na Nana Kwakufu Addo because when your job opportunity bi a ensen konkoye on present ni certificate a mami enye bi NND ni konkomu yi na aboni tiri so na yenti ensem a Felix appear e de etudwa
to sister Cynthia opportunity no buy no don e no omu bisa ne say onko fa ne SS certificate mra don eno anu no woni bi
uncle school
don only bi no e bi anko opportunity bi anka ebebo anu no a block it so what you say enti yes me NDC ni na so san hyehyeye we bi eboa enti ben ko di wo party e jinka say
ebusuan for ensem we na Felix appear political zone e de atudwa
and of free education 419 free education ya papa free because say you twamunne say na ba say you twamunna enkwode be free school dem be good street so one year ye de wo be kwakodi medi kaya ye ni ade e beba mu no e be buru bibia. It is always about systems making our institutions work. James Jajikwa is in Jina say MP before a copy but let him go and pick up the form and let's see.
MP before
there's a section that will ask you, is there any criminal impediment on you in terms of charges and as a criminal proceedings against you? You have to take yes, because MP before at the side they not also you have to go to court and answer for. Supreme Court said you're not wrong in so you have committed a crime. Supreme Court how can you tell them that that's not a crime? I say I don't know why NDC is doing that. I don't know what game plan they have, but it will fall flat on them.
Aka 19 days na Emra aso se mokwakoto aba ase not MP ya Charles Opoku winning more primaries, a very big margin. We're winning more primaries this year. Is the NDC ready for the Asin North seat? That is a question someone will be asking because the CA Omunya Eni Obi Emma name see or when them say, oh, we na yedene airco now wakushia Charles Opoku for the seat of Asin North. Someone will ask, say, are they ready? Because NPPD will say we are ready. Now, NDC for
when you're ready, say, I don't know.
No, but how can you present someone that the court has ruled out? That is impossible.
They don't care. NDC wants us to know that the Ghana belongs to them. It is a court no ruling out from to me, so to me, I'm not sure. They don't care.
And is that possible?
Is that possible? Ask the NDC people. Because I was surprised. George Opariado said something, say, oh no, a lawyer. No, be at to see, I said that you question confirm for my election. There be you offer for my end, you know, done. I didn't see any ye. Some form no over back of fat, me boy.
Yeah.
No, I can fail it, me boy. No, I can submit it. It won't fail, no. You be said, baby said, do you have a criminal proceedings against you, yes or no? And I'm a boy.
Yeah. And
everybody in Ghana now knows, say, Sebi, MP before be a criminal case against James Jachikwe and yet secret. And I also only must say this is there. Said the NDC maybe I won't say.
2 hours some bacho. 2 hours so.
Who come and tip money at party office there? More faces is dying. Now your hospitals go on ya. Ya go on ya. Honorable Hobson, Ukromu ya. Yanya ukromu kwai. Abronya one kasaba betena radio so any TV so ena mikromu bono ye ba ye 801 kilometers master abronya master of communication enya abosia na ye de ye sika ukromu for benefit but who say yan fembesi mansion and mouse abronya communicate ya bapa wenti no yan success kama hopes in one munkodi ntino one kasaba party ubegu no.
I said, are you by okay? I said, some people make it there and they go to a
go to the public sector, yes. Exactly. Go to private sector.
Go private sector. He didn't come for individual idea.
We need the chairman. The Yami say somebody like Honorable Hobson, Onyamobo, Miminim no. So what you say, Onyamobo, Wabobra, chairman, all jokes aside.
Yeah.
All jokes aside, it's your no minimum why on this side here we are vendetta the day because party nankas and the Sika him crown who hopes in the amount. Same with Abron at least on the chairman into on the chairman Sika Baba. But chairman, I can tell you on authority say from 2020 yet to a very yet to now no Abron to 2 cars. Case Ben Okodi here. Okodi case Ben. Any party who done now, Crawford, so what party who done now, you didn't let the radio so near Casa. Last on one the general Casa, maybe sending the $200,000 to say, Mammy no more, saying MPP. Mammy no more bronyan away, saying MPP, over the Casamaya. Hey, Mamma, yes, sir. Now, more, I must say, the NDC 4 year, and so when they are by some greediness, greedy, and the minya be idea now to say, what are you looking for? You want development for your country or you want to develop your bellies? We need to cut that crap out. We are above that. Obi Nimukai and fake news. I'm above to that. Yabre. And I made communication. And I made communication. I am a Pasiampa for party way. And I'm making it believe that they are a credible alternative. And I'm to me, General say, NDC a credible alternative. Because something never continue to Yapamome into me buafu. Abronya never continue to and I now go for a NDC for the SHS up going to the end. NDC for Munyanipa, one free Ghana. Now, Sabi, chairman, if you want to win your enemy, what do? Don't you do the things that will trap them close to you?
Of course.
You guys know nothing about governance. You just know how to talk into no mobile TV, radio, so fact, no program. But inside your heart is corrupt. 100% corrupt. You are angry with your party because your party is not stealing money for you. That is corruption. Yantua Bama, Nanado Dan Kwaku say, Wambra, no Mramedi Sabi, MP before so now every month to Biano, won't try by the 10th Uncle to party office. He is the president of Ghana. At the end of the year, why the Beckers will be one more chairman, that is the part that pisses me off. When you do the checks here, one more they've all eaten. Round one, they were there, they were fixed. Me, I'm a boss, Hobson. Now, but Honorable Hobson, when you be a D, who to me, Casa MPP by here, I will not agree with that, Honorable Hobson. You have benefited. You have seen grace. They say